Hello students, welcome to Saurabh sir classes. In today's video we will be solving question number 15 and 16 from the section 4 of model question paper of SAT examination. So if you are preparing for scholastic assessment test, this video is going to be very much helpful for you. So please watch this video till the end. We will solve first question number 15. Question number 15 is a problem of arithmetic. The distance travelled by Earth in one orbit around the Sun is about 58 and 70 miles. 58 and 7 zeros. Earth makes one complete orbit around the Sun in 1 year. So Earth takes 1 year to complete the whole orbit in 1 year. Of the following, which is the closest average speed of Earth in miles per hour as it orbits the Sun? So 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros divided by 365 is the miles per day travelled or distance covered by Earth. This is the miles per day, which is equals to 1589,041 miles. So this is the miles per day speed of Earth. Now to move from miles per day to miles per hour, we have to divide this by 24 because there are 24 hours in a day. So 1589,041 divided by 24, this is the miles per hour. This is equals to 66,210. So this is miles per hour. The closest option to our answer is 66,000. Hence option A is correct for question number 13. For question number 15. Now coming to the next question, question number 16. Let me change the pen color. Yes. The above table, the given table, summarizes the results of 200 law school graduates. This is a joint distribution table where you can see here that the students who passed the bar exam and took the review course, the number of the students who took the review course and also passed the bar exam is 18. Similarly, the number of students who didn't pass the bar exam and took the review course was 82. The number of students who passed the bar exam but didn't take the review course was 7. And the number of students who didn't pass the bar exam and also didn't take review course was 93. So you have to find if one of the surveyed graduates who have passed the bar exam, so the survey is conducted among the students who have passed the bar exam. So survey is conducted among these students only, 18 and 7. So the total number of students surveyed is 25. So total number of students in our population is 25 and we are taking one random sample from the population of 25 students who have passed the bar exam. So you have to find what is the probability that the person chosen didn't take the review course. So 7 out of the 25 haven't chosen to review for the review course. So the probability will be 7 by 25. Now looking at the options, option B is 7 by 25. Hence option B is correct for question number 16. So here we have solved question number 15 and question number 16. In the next video we will be solving question number 17 and 18 from this paper. If you have any doubt, you can call us in this number 9836 79 3076 or you can send us email at saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. Thank you.